Hello and welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind. I am Dr. Vilas Kadekar. Episode number 25. Today's rubric is amativeness. What is meant by amativeness? Amativeness is a disposition to love with a sexual desire, or it is an amorous disposition to a sexual love, relating to or inclined towards love, especially sexual love. It is a faculty concerned with the physical love and sexual attraction. It has nothing to do with eternal love. It is more or less physical attraction than a love from the bottom of heart. Amativeness, on the other hand, is a perhaps a more explicitly sexual state. This is amativeness. What is the Hindi meaning of amativeness? कामुकता, वासनामय प्रेम, कामोत्तेजकता. मराठी मीनिंग शृंगारिक, विलासी, वैश्विक सुखासंबंधी शृंगारिक विलासी स्वभाव किंवा मनाचा कल. वैश्विक सुखाकडे असणारा मनाचा कल किंवा प्रवृत्ती. दिस इज मराठी मीनिंग. And what are the remedies for the amativeness? First remedies is Cantharis, Lycopodium, Causticum, Conium, Hyoscyamus, Lachesis, Myrrh, Phosphorus, Platina and Ustulago. So these are the number of remedies for amativeness. Then what are the cross references for amativeness? First is amorous. Amorous means it is a full of love, especially sexual, greatly attracted towards sexual matter, even in a thoughts or dreams. An intense desire for love, especially sexual, practical indulgence in sex is not necessarily related to desire, but the desire is not always related to sex. It can be of various type, like looking for attracting others. Amorous may have more to do with being in a love and may come close to the romantic preoccupation or invitation. So this is amorous. Then next cross reference, delirium erotic. Delirium means it is a disordered state of mind, or it is a transient mental disturbance that is characterized by confusion, distortion, disordered speech, restlessness, excitement during the course of mental illness, shock, fever, intoxication. During delirium, the patient goes out of track, characterized by incoherent speech, hallucination, restlessness, and often extreme excitement. During the delirious state, patient expressions, gestures changes suddenly. Under delirious stage, the patient loses his control on mind. This is delirium, erotic. Then fancies, lascivious. Fancies means flight of imagination or daydreaming, inclination to absorb in one particular type of thoughts or something as an internal desire without any reasoning. An image or presentation of something formed in the mind. This is fancies, lasciviousness. Lasciviousness means it is characterized by or expecting lust or lividness. Then next cross reference, genitalis male sexual passion increased. The next genitalis female sexual desire excessive. Then next cross reference, hysteria lascivious. Hysteria means it is a functional disorder of the nervous system where there is an excess or uncontrollable emotion as a panic or fear, or it is a state of extreme excitement, fear, anger that cannot be controlled. This is hysteria. Then lasciviousness. Lasciviousness means it is a feeling or showing strong sexual desire, tendency of person where action and behavior always expresses a desire for sexual activity, person in which more attracted towards sexual thoughts and act. This is lasciviousness. The next cross reference, lividness. Lividness is a disposition to have a sexual manner that obvious in speech and dressing, even exposes his body in front of others, connected with a sex in an offensive way. The sexual thoughts may not be promoting, but the person desire to expose the body. This is a voluntary act. This is lividness. Then next cross reference, naked wants to be. Naked, that is desire to expose without clothes. Then nymphomania. Nymphomania is the abnormal sexual desire in women. The next cross reference, shameless. Shameless, it is a shameless exposes the person. And shameless means having no shame or sense. Shameless has more to do with not caring about being exposed, etc. Then it has to do with a highlighted sexuality. This is shameless exposes the person. Then next cross reference, thoughts introduce sexual. Thoughts means idea, notions, and idea or opinion produced by thinking or occurring suddenly in the mind. That is thoughts. Then next cross reference, thoughts tormenting sexual. So these are all the cross references for the amityvness. Then what is the miasm of amityvness? The miasm is psychosis. Now what are the disease condition or psychiatric condition of amityvness? First is organic psychosis. Second is psychic sexual disorder. Then mania. Then drug addiction, alcoholic, and schizophrenia. So these are all the psychiatric condition of amityvness. This is all for the amityvness in short. So friends, if you like this channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next episode with a new rubric. Till then, thank you, take care, goodbye.